Buckle up and get ready for a wild ride as we dive into the heart-stopping world of dashcam captures. From unbelievable close calls to moments of instant karma. Stay with us as we uncover the raw, unfiltered reality of what happens behind the wheel. Get ready because the road holds no secrets when the dashcams are watching. On number 1, we have this guy trying to teach us how to beat the traffic with just small trick.
Got some damage, but we're okay.
This is what happened when you forget to check the side mirrors before changing lane.
She said nothing but yes and no. She did not say much more, I must confess, but then she always said yes or no in the right place.
This is the first time I've ever seen someone getting close to a head-on impact. This is how a typical 2 a.m. Atlanta driver do when the roads are empty. Feel sad for the stop sign. When you need to pass the tractor trailer, no matter if it costs you $10,000 in repairs. Why would anyone try and pull this stunt and break his rear glass with a washing machine? Look at this sedan going out and look at this Porsche guy. The sedan guy said he didn't saw the Porsche. Coming up next, we got this driver enjoying his evening drive on the wrong side of the freeway. What is the need of going wrong way on a one-way road? Fortunately, he turned back quickly. And the final video for today is of the elderly guy changing lane without looking and blame the driver for hitting him. Thank you so much for watching today's episode of Dashcam Driving School. If you want to submit your clips for the next episode, check out the link in description. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell icon too.